Are you ready to unlock the secrets of a successful mortgage? Understanding how mortgages work can empower your financial decisions. Let's dive into the concept of an interest rate buy-down and see how it can impact your homeownership journey. First, what exactly is an interest rate buy-down? It's a strategy where you pay upfront to lower your monthly mortgage interest rate. This can lead to significant savings, especially if you plan to stay in your home for several years. Let's break it down further. Imagine you invest money now to reduce your monthly payments. Over time, this can add up, leading to substantial interest savings. This means more cash in your pocket down the road. That's the beauty of a buy-down. Now, consider your situation. Are you a long-term homeowner or a short-term investor? If you plan to stay for years, the buy-down might be worth the initial cost. But if you're moving soon, weigh your options carefully against market changes. Picture this. You enjoy the peace of consistent payments, regardless of economic ups and downs. This stability can outweigh the temporary appeal of lower upfront costs. Your goal should be to build a strong financial foundation, not just buy a house. So, why is it vital to research your mortgage options? Knowledge is power in the housing market. By understanding the buy-down concept, you place yourself in a stronger position to make informed choices. Consider how this strategy could transform homeownership. With the right mortgage approach, you can secure long-term financial health. Investing in a buy-down isn't just about a house, it's about your future. Think ahead to the value of a financial buffer. This can provide flexibility for improvements or savings. By analyzing the implications of a buy-down, you empower yourself to take control of your finances. Every decision helps shape your financial story. Embracing the buy-down can redefine your homeownership experience and enhance your well-being. In summary, the journey to homeownership goes beyond mere property acquisition. It's about achieving stability and peace of mind. By exploring the benefits of an interest rate buy-down, you can secure a solid foundation for your future. Ready to take the next step toward homeownership? Start researching and connect with a knowledgeable lender today. Your dream of financial security is one informed decision away.
Disclaimer. This content is for educational purposes only and is not legal, compliance, or financial advice. Please consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions.